respected principal ma'am, esteemed teachers, and my beloved students. So, it is actually my absolute privilege to stand before all of you on this special occasion as we come together to celebrate two meaningful occasions, as ma'am and sir told you. One is our 11th Foundation Day of Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Family, that is SPARK, and the other one is International Girl Child Day. So, talking about the OAB Foundation Day, as all of you know that very well, that OABS was established in the year 2015 under the Department of School and Mass Education, Government of Odisha, with the aim to provide high quality education in English medium in every block of our state Odisha, so that all the children from rural and semi-urban areas can also achieve and get the same opportunities as those in cities. So, the motto of OABS is inspire and empower. That is, Anuprerana or Sasaktikarana. And my dear students, this is not a simple line. It is actually to inspire minds through education and to empower lives through values. So as we come together to celebrate this Foundation Day, we should remember that we are the living examples of this vision. And we carry the hopes, the dreams of our parents, of our teachers, and of our state, beautiful state of Odisha. Right? So, as we celebrate OAB Foundation Day today, I would like to urge all of you to keep the spirit of OAB alive, to learn sincerely, to act kindly, and to serve proudly. Okay. So, now I would like to share some of my insights on International Girl Child Day. I remember once one of my students asked, ma'am, why do we celebrate International Girl Child Day but not a Boys Day? So let us understand this together. So, first of all, we should know when it is celebrated. International Girl Child Day, when it is celebrated. So we should know when this day is celebrated. So as you all know, International Girl Child Day is celebrated every year on 11th of October worldwide, which was started by the United Nations in 2012 with the aim to raise awareness about the challenges that girls face around the world. And challenges like discrimination, lack of education, inequality, health issues, etc. and to protect and to promote their lives, their safety, their education, their health. You know, India too observed National Girl Child Day on 24th of January through various programs like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. आप लोग जरूर सुने होंगे. Yes or no? Yes. So, secondly, हमें ये जानना चाहिए कि ऐसी क्या आन पड़ी हमें ये डे सेलिब्रेट करनी है. What is the cause behind celebrating this International Girl Child Day? So let me tell you, dear students, there are still girls all around the world who really face injustice and discrimination. Let me cite some examples here. Do you know Afghanistan? A country from which continent? Can anyone tell me? Afghanistan belongs to which continent? Africa? Asia, yes. So, in Afghanistan, after Taliban came to power, girls after grade 6 are stopped from going to school. Why? Because of the extreme belief that educating girls goes against their tradition, which is wrong. Yes or no? Educating someone never harm anyone, but ignorance torture. Again, in some African countries and in some parts of South Asia, in fact, in some of the parts of India, child marriage still prevails. Why? Because of poverty, because of lack of education of their parents, and because of the old customs where people believe that marrying off a girl early would reduce their financial burden and protect her own honor. But this is absolutely wrong. The truth is, this takes away her dreams, her childhood, her education. And lot more examples are there, such as this type of examples are there worldwide. So, now one genuine question may arise in all of your minds that, how celebrating this kind of days help reduce discrimination and build equality among us? लग रहा होगा ना, क्या ऐसे डेज पालन कर लेने से हम रिड्यूस कर पाएंगे इनइक्वालिटी, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कमा पाएंगे? So let me explain. These days are not just to be celebrated through activities, through campaigns or programs or speeches, but these days are being celebrated to create awareness and most importantly, to change the mindsets of people. Okay. You see, when schools, communities, and media talk about why girls enter, people start thinking and looking things differently. They start think differently, and this encourages them to question some wrong beliefs and some wrong practices that are prevailing in our society. Yes or no? So, on this day every year, government, NGO also launch so many programs, scholarships, campaigns, so that families and people get encouraged to follow them. On this same day, girls are provided a platform to speak about their dreams, their aspirations, and their experiences, so that when people can hear about the voices of such young girls demanding respect, demanding health, demanding education, demanding safety, emotional change inside the society occurs. On this day, various stories of strong and famous ladies are shared, such as Kalpana Chawla, Mary Kom, P.V. Sindhu, Malala Yousafzai, like that. And when the stories of this type of ladies are shared among people, the parents get encouraged and they start dreaming the same about their children or daughter too. Right. So my dear students, what I want to say you all through this is, this kind of celebration lead to action, and these kind of celebrations are highly needed. Okay. So at last but not least, I would like to say, मैं जैसे बोल रही थी, why don't we celebrate a boys' day? Yes. So interestingly, there is a day called as International Men's Day, which is universally celebrated on 19th of November, and it aims to highlight the positive role of men and boys around the world inside our society. It aims to highlight their